Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today, we're going to be checking out this wet vac right here. And this is from Stanley. And this is a 4 horsepower, 6-gallon wet dry vac. I've had this for a few weeks now. I really like it. It's great for, cleaning up around here in the garage, inside the house, whatever the kids make a mess with some really weird stuff that I don't want to vacuum up with my regular vacuum cleaner. And then of course, out in the car, I can use it to clean up stuff. We do have a toddler and she likes to make a mess, and let me tell you, it's fantastic for things like that. So guy, gal, young, old, no matter what, a wet vac, dry vac is definitely a must have. So let's go over this really quick and everything that comes with it. So you're going to get your attachments here. You're going to get the extension. You get one right here. You're also going to get another extension here on the other side. Go ahead and get this hose out of the way. It does have a nice lengthy hose on it. Right there, another extension. You got some attachments right here. Makes it easy to clean the ground. This one's good for like larger areas. This one, smaller area, but more suction since it's a more localized thing. And then you have like your little crevice tool here, which is fantastic for cleaning inside vehicle, getting down there inside those little tight spots. You know what I'm talking about. Also, it does come with a bag. I haven't used the bag. I just used the tank right here for everything. Inside, probably got a little bit of stuff inside here. Oh yeah, we do. Go ahead, knock that, but right there, you can see you have the, it's just like a little baggie that slips over, and that is the filter that you use whenever it gets dirty and stuff like that. You can easily just clean this off. And then you can see inside here, look at that, we have vacuumed up a little bit of crud around the house. And then this thing right here, this little ring pops off. Go ahead and pop it off for you all really quick. And that is how you will remove this one. Go ahead and make a big old mess here, but it's all right. We have us a shop vac. There we go. And this is where you would put your foam filter at, which is right here. Boom, just put this filter over it, and that is the only thing that you will use whenever you are cleaning up wet stuff. So, wet stuff, right there, you just have that filter, and whenever you're using it as a dry vac, you use this one right here, and you can see it does filter very well, that does. The filter underneath has like nothing on it at all, so it does a great job. You don't have to worry about it sucking stuff up and then blowing it back out the other side, because yes, you do have the ability to use this as both suction and as a blower. So if you need to blow things out, you can do that. And then this thing just slips back around just like this. And then this little ring on here will just slide it down and it will hold everything in place. So just get this back around here, just like so. And then you just push this ring down and it holds everything in place. One side down and the other side. Push it on there all the way and we are good to go. Just take your top here, put it back on. This snaps into place just like that. And you are, whoop, I did not get it all the way. All right, so put this back on, snap it all the way into place, and then you are good to go. Now, whenever you get this, these casters will not be installed. You just pop them all on there, one screw in there, and you are good to go. You could maybe not put that screw in there, so you could possibly take them off and on. However, they did kind of fall off. I sort of tested that whenever I first got it, and they did fall off and stuff. So you'll need to screw them on there if you're going to be wheeling it around a lot. And you don't want to just, easily take them off and stuff. But if you do just want to be able to easily take them off, then you can just leave them loose and you will be good. So we'll go ahead and unwrap this cord here really quick and we will plug it in and we'll clean up this mess that we just made. So I'll go ahead and plug this in down here. It does just have a two-prong plug on it right there. It is polarized, So we plug it in. There we go. Go ahead and move our bag out of the way here. And we're going to clean up this mess that we just made. So just your one switch up here up top. And boom, just like that, our mess is cleaned up. So, like I said, super fantastic thing right here. I'll go ahead, I should have just left that filter out. We'll go ahead and do a little bit of a water test on this real quick. So I'll bring some water in and we'll try that out. All right, so I went ahead and took off that dry filter on there. So we are ready to suck up with our wet vac now. We have a gallon of water in here, so let's see how long it takes to do this. Just like that, and it's done. So what was that, like 3 seconds? So a lot of suction on this thing, as you can see. So overall, super pleased with this. It's actually the first time I've sucked up some water with it. But yeah, be sure you take care of it in regards to that filter and everything in there. Once you're done sucking up with the wet vac, you'll empty it out, dry out that filter before you throw back on the other filter, the one for dry use, so that it doesn't, clump up, get nasty, stuff like that. Overall, super impressed with this. It is one of the best-selling shop vacs on Amazon. I'll have a link down there in the description if you are interested in purchasing it. Again, I appreciate you guys stopping by here. Reviews, how-tos. Be sure to like, subscribe if you liked everything. Leave a comment down at the bottom if you have one of these, or if you're thinking about getting one of these, or anything else. And yeah, once again, this is a Stanley shop vac. Thanks for stopping by. Go ahead and check it out.